world market analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and shaky. The world necessitates a considerably more steady and dependable cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning supportability and adaptability. Notwithstanding, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Over and over, the mixture agreement system of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has likewise been in warm conversation. Before we dive into the Tezos cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the extraordinary highlights of Tezos. Nonetheless, not very many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Gigantic exchange expenses and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in logically evolved stages. Numerous digital forms of money neglected to change these issues. Digital currencies like Tezos has steadily swarmed the standard cognizance and gotten some decent forward movement. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity obvious to different clients on the organization. The whole system of Tezos depends on zero revelation proof, in this manner permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange strategy, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange, putting the power eventually in the possession of the client. Tezos has standard update plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the differed use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap deceitful or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the first block. Tezos, the former journey. Similarly as with some other computerized money, Tezos is the subject of totally various perspectives. Certain individuals like Tezos, while others don't incline toward it much. XTZ is viewed as quite possibly of the most discussed advanced cash. Certain individuals think the venture comes up short on approach plan and the questionable PR tricks of its organizer. In any case, there are a ton of other people who really trust an XTZ cost forecast. As of now, XTZ cost is exchanging around $3.80, with a practically 3% climb throughout the course of recent hours. The market capitalization of Tezos is $3,360,141,385 with $876,591,071.11 XTZ flowing as of now. Since its beginning, the token has been contending hard areas of strength for its adversary digital currencies. A few times in the year 2020, it had seen the most noteworthy heightening and cost around $4. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to $1.03. By November 2020, the Tezos cost confronted a remedy and penetrated a functioning help level, yet shockingly pandemic appeared to be not to influence Tezos. Running against the norm, it showed a through and through various development. In June 2020, it kept on having a vertical swing, with Tezos cost exchanging around $2.07. During the start of the last year, the XTZ coin was exchanging underneath $2 with huge bullish force. Around last May, Tezos has denoted another high of $7.50 in the midst of critical unpredictability. From that point onward, it tumbled to the low of around $2.15 in the last mid-July. In any case, from that point forward, the XTZ has checked progressive cost rise and on October 4, 2021, it enlisted an unsurpassed high of $9.18. Nonetheless, subsequent to hitting an ATH, it confronted colossal negative strain and recorded persistent fall till day. Going by the specialized cost investigation, Tezos has shown colossal potential reliably performing and recuperating the lost worth. XTZ today denotes an extensive energy prompting a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy. XTZ, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a huge number of clients around the world, is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of speculation commendable monetary standards. Be that as it may, this crypto resource is to get some momentum with financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its intrinsic potential. It very well may be plainly characterized that Tezos, recorded as XTZ on different trades, has situated itself among a considerable lot of the top monetary forms yet to remain at that level. It needs to take advantage of its most extreme potential. The last year was provoking with energy to express buy to, principally because of pandemic negative patterns winning carrying the coin to 90 pennies. In any case, the start of 2022 implied XTZ could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XTZ. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments brimming with positive thinking. There could be a conjecture of wonders in the realm of cryptographic forms of money like XTZ. There could be wizardry temporarily. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. As per the most recent long-haul Tezos cost figure, the coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. By 2022, the normal cost of Tezos will be at $1.7. Most extreme cost $1.97. Least cost $1.53. Tezos cost conjecture toward the finish of 2022 may be around $1.65. As per ongoing long-haul estimates, the cost of Tezos will cross $13.58 toward the finish of 2022, $9.81 toward the finish of 2023, and $59.88 toward the finish of 2025. Tezos will then be valued at $48.18 in 2027. And $168.68 in 2030. In light of our Tezos cost gauge, the XTZ cost could stretch around $3.50 by 2022. The greatest cost may be around $4.34 and the base will be around $2.95 before the current year's over. The determined Tezos cost toward the finish of 2022 is $5.64. In 2022, we hope to see $5.24 per 1 Tezos. In the principal half of 2023, the Tezos cost will move to $6.93. In the last part, the cost would add $1.56 and close the year at $8.49. The continuous yet consistent ascent in the cost of Tezos might not have won it the highest digital money grant. However, brilliant financial backers have figured out how to trust that this resource will perform and make all the difference for trade. All the more significantly, despite the fact that the new presentation of Tezos has not soared on the trade ascending to magnificent. One conspicuous truth that arises here is Tezos is digging in for the long haul, rise, fill in the business sectors in full blossom. Tezos Value Forecast 2022. In the event that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital currency cost will perform abundantly, scaling the top as aforementioned, violating all constraints over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few drowsy patterns, it would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Supported by vigorous, brilliant agreements, the Tezos cost may effortlessly contact $5.60 before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Forecast 2023. The driving forces cut the usefulness behind Tezos digital currency. Subsequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to get a move on with different coins to show up at a $6 minus $6.80 cost. Financial backers, in any case, need to keep an eye out for any unexpected elements. No one could anticipate the pandemic. Tezos Value Expectation 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the digital currency markets. Tezos is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all hindrances scaling $8. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. A stunning hopefulness is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost.